If your Power BI model looks like spaghetti, your numbers and visuals are probably going to be wrong. Let me show you the simple design that fixes everything in under 2 minutes. This is the Star Schema, and it's the key to accurate visuals, simpler DAX, and a model that just works. A Star Schema has two types of tables, fact tables and dimension tables. That's it. Get this right and your reports will become predictable and clean. The fact table sits in the center. It's where your numeric events live. Your sales, your transactions, your clicks. It's big, it's detailed, and it contains the numbers you want to analyze. Surrounding the fact table are dimension tables. These describe your details, your customers, products, dates, locations. They help you slice and filter the facts. And here's the secret sauce. Dimension tables connect to the fact table using a one-to-many relationship. One product can appear in many sales. One customer can place many orders. Power BI expects this structure, and it works best when you use it. When your model breaks this pattern, you get incorrect totals, filters not working, looping relationships, and DAX that looks like black magic gone wrong. The Star Schema may fix all of it. It can give you clarity, and you'll always know where your filters come from, the dimension tables, and where your numbers live, the fact tables. So if your Power BI model feels unpredictable or your visuals look and feel wrong, try fixing the model, not the measures. Build a Star Schema and your whole report becomes simpler. Subscribe for more simple Power BI fixes. Your future self will thank you.